Welcome to StudioBinder. We're going to show you how to assign characters and locations to a scene. In an earlier video, we showed you the scene information located at the top of your page in the navigation strip here. Any changes made to your scene strips here will be updated across your strip board and various reports. Tagged cast members will be displayed in the sidebar here, but also your navigation strip here by their cast ID number. Do you have a cast member that is not tagged but needs to be here for the scene? You can add them easily by clicking here on the navigation strip and checking the box next to the cast member's name and number. The same applies to locations. If you know the location that will be used for your scene, select Assign Location. If you've already added shooting locations to your project, the drop-down display will have a list of locations to choose from. But if you haven't, you will need to click Add Location here. Enter a short name for the location, and if you've secured a physical space at this point, you can search and include that as well. Once you're done, hit Create. This associated location will also appear in various reports and on your strip board as well. That way you can then bucket scenes by physical shooting locations to build a shooting schedule. These same locations will be added to a call sheet as well, so it's best to update your locations with more details as they're secured. If you want to adjust a location, just go back to the same drop-down and select Manage Locations. This takes you to the Shooting Locations page, where you can either remove a scene, edit the address, or specify additional details. Note that if you delete a location that is already assigned to a strip, you'll need to reassign new locations to the strip, so it's generally best to edit your locations. Watch our next video to learn how to collaborate on your breakdowns.